Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Instagram account to your Godaddy website, a crucial step to enhance your online visibility and engage with your audience effectively. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Godaddy website by visiting their official page. Here, you'll find various sections such as domain names, websites, hosting, or online marketing tools. For this tutorial, focus on logging into your account. Find the Sign In option and click on it to access your account. You should have the option to continue with Godaddy as your login method, so go ahead and select that. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can access all necessary tools for connecting your Instagram account. Look for the My Products section, which lists all your subscribed services and products. Your goal here is to locate the Websites plus Marketing section. Click on it to proceed, ensuring you are in the right area of your account. If you come across an option for a free trial, such as Websites plus Marketing e-commerce, feel free to explore it if your membership allows. Otherwise, continue with your existing subscription. With Websites plus Marketing selected, find and click on the Manage button. This will open additional functionalities, particularly those involving marketing tools. Within this section, look for the Marketing tab. Click on it and then select the subcategory Social. You're now ready to connect your social media accounts. Find the button labeled Connect and click it. You'll see various social media platforms available for integration with Godaddy. Choose Instagram to start the connection process. Another Connect button will appear. Clicking it will prompt you to authorize the connection between Instagram and Godaddy. You will likely be redirected to Instagram's login page. If you're already logged into Instagram, you will receive a prompt to proceed as the logged-in user. Click Continue as your username to grant Godaddy access to your Instagram account. This process includes multiple authorization screens to ensure security and privacy. Each screen will request permissions related to publishing content, managing insights, and other Instagram functionalities. Click Continue as user to move through each request. Once complete, your Instagram account will be successfully linked to your Godaddy website. And that's it. You've seamlessly connected your Instagram account to your Godaddy website, allowing visitors to engage with your brand effortlessly across platforms. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials.